One of the techniques that I do here at Oviedo Chiropractic is called the Webster Technique. It is designed specifically for patients who are pregnant to help support their bodies during pregnancy. There's a lot of changes that happen. We have the relaxin hormone that starts going through the body pretty early in pregnancy that loosens the ligaments. That's going to cause a little bit more joint instability, and oftentimes patients will feel that as more back or pelvis pain. The other thing that happens is as baby and belly are growing in the front, our spine curvatures will change to accommodate that. That can often also cause some of that pain and discomfort you feel commonly during pregnancy. But the pain, though common during pregnancy, does not have to be there. With chiropractic care, we can often get things feeling better for you to support your body as it's making those changes so that you're feeling better, moving better, and also help prepare the body for labor and delivery. When we're doing the adjustments during pregnancy, we've got a couple different ways that we can make it more comfortable for you. Our tables will lower down in the belly region so that we have room for the belly there. If that ever gets uncomfortable, we have a big pregnancy pillow that we can use as well. It's got a big cutout for the belly so everything is supported and there's no pressure on the belly itself. So the adjustments during pregnancy are often very similar to what you've had before. The biggest change is we focus on the pelvis a little bit more, and that's because there are a lot of direct attachment points between the bony pelvis and the uterus itself. So if there's any misalignment in that pelvis, it can start to put some pressure or constraint on the uterus and not allow baby to grow and have the space that they need. With the adjustments, we can help get things back in that proper alignment and stay there so that the body has all the room that needs to make the growth and changes that it does during pregnancy. So during pregnancy, I recommend chiropractic care for everyone. Even if you're feeling great and you're not having pain and discomfort, we want to make sure that the body is in proper alignment so that it can function the best it possibly can. That'll help give baby all the room it needs to grow, and it also helps prepare your body for labor and delivery.